Hey everyone, how's it going? In this short video, I'm going to tell you how Mike Norng and Auto Film Mastery took me from throwing away tens of thousands of dollars in the PPF industry and going to a effortless or mostly effortless, headache-free, efficient installs. So this is what happened. So I met Mike about a year ago, a little over a year ago. I went and I signed up for I had already done basic training for PPF, and then I signed up for his online classes, Auto Film Mastery. I did the basic, the advanced, the installer library. The installer library is where he literally shows you panel by panel how to complete a car. For example, the Tesla Model Y is in there. So I did all that. Then I went to MakeMoneyLLC.com. That's Mike's website. He makes all kind of tools for the PPF industry that he's tried himself. So I went there, and then I've gone to in-person training and the workshops with Mike Norng and Auto Film Mastery. You might have seen they just did one in SEMA. They've done one in California, and they do them in Houston. Then I went and I pestered Mike until he trained me in person, one-on-one. We did this Tesla Model X in less than a day, and it's not possible without Mike Norng. I'm going to tell you, the things that you learn in-person training will save you tens of thousands of dollars, and you can't put a price on that long-term and what that investment, that return on investment is until you do it. There's just certain things that you can't learn from a YouTube video or an online video or Facebook groups and comments. And you may be able to learn it, but your learning curve is going to be steep. And Mike is going to show you how to reduce that, and he's going to teach you things that your investment is going to pale in comparison to the return that you get from the in-person training. And I'm not getting paid to say this. I just love Mike, and I love the things he does for the industry because he really wants you to succeed. So remember, Auto Film Mastery is going to be doing in-person training starting at their Houston location. They have a whole new room set up just for it. It's going to be just a couple people at a time or a few people at a time, and you're going to be interfacing with some of the best installers in the country, and you cannot waste that money. I'm telling you, spend that money, go to training, send your people to training, and get more efficient, get less gray hair, and actually enjoy PPF installs instead of just throwing away, lighting dollar bills on fire. Go check it out.